Welcome to The Explainer. Think we're doing great at recycling? Well, get ready for a truly shocking number.
Our global economy is only 6.9% circular today. The scale of our waste is just staggering.
Okay, let's dive into this. We have to ditch our broken take-make waste system for a restorative circular alternative. See, the old linear model literally just throws away all the energy, labor, and materials inside every discarded product. Circularity is a deliberate design choice. It's about narrowing, slowing, and closing material loops to prevent waste entirely.
Enter the R ladder. These top rungs, like refusing and reducing, are absolutely the most effective ways to minimize waste.
Why? Because reusing and repairing preserve all the labor and energy baked into a product, not just raw materials. Crazy enough, recycling sits at the absolute bottom. It's actually a last resort that destroys huge manufacturing value. Let's see how this builds. Repairing keeps products right at peak value, while recycling crashes them straight downhill. And this brilliantly illustrates the fix, swapping out traditional unit sales for a product-as-a-service or PaaS business model.
PaaS totally flips the incentives. When companies retain ownership, making products built to last suddenly becomes highly profitable.
Real-world example? Rolls-Royce monetizes those top R rungs by renting jet engine thrust instead of just selling the engines outright.
Now, what's really interesting here is the economics. Implementing this exposes managers to some incredibly harsh ground-level realities. Managers face massive hurdles, starting with the ridiculously steep operational costs of reverse logistics just to retrieve used products. There's also intense financial pressure. Companies need patient capital, waiting years and years for long-term service returns. Plus, despite the obvious environmental perks, strong consumer reluctance to rent instead of buy remains a huge roadblock. Oh, and watch out for the rebound effect, where cheaper recycled goods ironically just drive up total consumption. So the crucial point is, an absolute drop in virgin material waste is the only real metric of success.
Which leaves us wondering, can we actually balance the limits of efficiency against our desire for infinite economic growth?